तो राम राम साथियों। आज हम अप्रैल महीने के करंट अफेयर्स देखेंगे जो कि साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड है। चलो शुरू करते हैं। ये RS 2024 के लिए है, जो प्री में भी 14 क्वेश्चन आने की संभावना है और मेंस में भी ऑलमोस्ट 14 क्वेश्चन आने की संभावना है, जो कि 5 नंबर के होते हैं। चलो शुरू करते हैं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। चलो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट, आर्टेमिस सेकंड मून मिशन। वाई इन द न्यूज? आर्टेमिस सेकंड astronauts returned to Earth after historic NASA mission to the moon. About Artemis second moon mission. Mission type crewed lunar flyby mission under the NASA's Artemis program. Launch date 1st April 2026. Duration 10 days. Launch vehicle Space Launch System SLS. Space Launch System SLS is NASA's super heavy lift rocket that is capable of sending the Orion spacecraft, astronauts and cargo directly to the moon in a single mission. Spacecraft. Orion spacecraft built by NASA and Lockheed Martin. Orion is capable of carrying astronauts into deep space and safely returning them to Earth from the moon's vicinity at high speed. Key mission objectives: crew demonstrate the ability of systems and teams to sustain the flight crew in the flight environment and through their return to Earth. Systems demonstrate systems and operations essential to a crewed lunar campaign. This ranges from ground systems to hardware in space, and operations spanning from development to launch, flight, and recovery. Emergency operations demonstrate emergency system capabilities and validate associated operations to the extent practical, such as abort operations and rescue procedures as needed. Artemis second flight path. Launch April 1st. Outbound flight, flyby, return flight, landing 10 April. Artemis program mission goals. The Artemis program is NASA's initiative to return astronauts to the moon, establish a permanent presence at the lunar south pole, and lay the foundation for future human exploration of Mars. Origin of the name. The program is named after the Greek goddess of the hunt, the twin sister of Apollo, highlighting the program's connection to but distinction from the Apollo mission. The Artemis mission. Artemis 1st 2022, an uncrewed test mission of the SLS and Origin that orbited the and Orion that an uncrewed test mission of the SLS and Orion that orbited the moon and safely returned to Earth. Artemis second, the first crewed mission of the program, bringing a 4-person crew on a lunar flyby without touching down on the surface. Artemis third, originally planned as a lunar landing mission, it will now send a crew to low Earth orbit to test docking procedures for future lunar landings. Artemis fourth, planned for 2028, the mission will land 2 astronauts near the moon's south pole using Starship, while 2 remain in lunar orbit aboard Orion. Artemis fifth and beyond. Future missions aim to build a lunar base, deploy rovers, and extract resources like water and oxygen, with NASA planning crewed launches every 6 months. The Artemis Accords, established in 2020 by NASA and the U.S. State Department for Peaceful Space Cooperation. It reaffirms signatories' commitment to the Outer Space Treaty, Registration Convention, Rescue and Return Agreement, and responsible norms for civil space exploration and use. Member States 67. India is also a member. Apollo versus Artemis. The Artemis program is the modern successor to the Apollo program. Apollo program is NASA's earliest human spaceflight program, including the Apollo moon landings. Apollo was driven by the Cold War, whereas Artemis emphasizes peaceful global cooperation. Apollo conducted short surface visits. Artemis aims for a permanent lunar base to prepare for Mars. Scientific experiments, astronaut health studies, ARCHER, to monitor astronauts' well-being, activity, and sleep patterns, to gather data on human health and performance in deep space. Avatar uses organ on a chip devices to study the effects of microgravity and increased radiation on the health of the crew. Biomarkers, to analyze blood and saliva samples to determine how deep space travel alters the immune system. Artemis second standard measures, to provide a consistent set of health data to a bank, to assist future researchers in studying astronaut health. Radiation studies, to monitor radiation levels inside the outer the Orion capsule, to characterize the deep space environment. Lunar science, geological observations. The crew studied and photographed lava flows and impact craters to understand the region's geological history during the 3-hour flyby of the moon's far side. International CubeSat experiments, Atinia, Argentina's Conaya, to measure Earth's radiation spectrum, assess radiation shielding methods, collecting GPS data, and validate a long-range communication link. TASELS, German Aerospace Center, to measure how the space environment affects electrical components, to help design future lunar vehicle technologies. K Red Cube, K Rad Cube, South Korea's KASA, to measure biological effects and space radiation across the Van Allen radiation belts. SHMS, Saudi Space Agency, to measure space weather at a range of distance from Earth. NASA versus NASA Artemis versus ISRO Chandrayaan. NASA Artemis per mission cost 34,000 crore rupees, 4.1 billion. Artemis second. ISRO's Chandrayaan, all three missions combined rupees 2,000 crore rupees, almost $240 million total. Mission comparison. Program total cost, NASA 93 billion dollar, 7.7 lakh crore rupees. ISRO 2,000 crore rupees. Per mission cost, NASA 4.1 billion per mission dollar. 4.1 billion per mission. ISRO 386 to 978 crore rupees. Mission type NASA crewed human. mission type में ISRO robotic. Timeline ISRO 2012 to 2025. ISRO timeline में 2008 to 2023. partner NASA's partner ESA, JAXA, CSA, SpaceX, Blue Origin. ISRO's partner domestic ISRO. Goal NASA's goal crewed lunar flyby plus future Mars preparation. Goal ISRO's scientific exploration, South Pole landing. Chandrayaan mission costs breakdown. Chandrayaan first 386 crore rupees 2008. Confirmed water on moon. Chandrayaan second 978 crore rupees 2019. Lander lost on descent. Chandrayaan 3 613 crore rupees 2023 में soft landing achieved. Significance historic milestone. It is the first crewed mission to the moon in 50 years since the Apollo 17 in 1972. Human safety in deep space. It rigorously tests the European Space Agency service module and Orion life support systems, paving the way for sustained long-term human space exploration. Historic crewed representation. The flight breaks barriers by sending the first woman, Christiana Koch, the first person of color, Victor Glover, and the first non-American astronaut, Canadian Space Agency's Jeremy Hansen, to the moon's vicinity. Extreme distances. The trajectory takes the four-person crew farther into deep space, closer to the moon and beyond the far side than any humans have traveled in history. Future missions. The mission serves as a gateway for future crewed lunar missions. Conclusion. Artemis 2 makes a pivotal transition from lunar exploration to long-term residence. By successfully testing crewed deep space systems, it solidifies the foundation for the permanent South Pole base and future Martian voyage. This mission proves that international cooperation and diversity are now the driving forces of humanity celestial expansion. Next topic: nuclear energy in India. Why in the news? Recently, India's indigenously designed and built 500 megawatt electric prototype fast breeder reactor PFBR at Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu attended critically advancing the second stage of the three-stage civil nuclear program. More on the news. Developed by Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research and R&D Center under Department of Atomic Energy. Operated by Bharatiya Navikiya Vidyut Nigam Limited, Bhavini, a public limited company under Companies Act 1956 under Department of Atomic Energy DAE to pursue construction and operation of FBR. Once fully operational, India will become only the second country after Russia to have a commercial FBR. This is a decisive step towards harnessing India's vast thorium reserves in the third stage of the program. Criticality stage, where a reactor achieves self-sustaining chain reaction with neutrons produced by fission, equal equaling those lost at absorption and leakage, enabling sustained power in output. Nuclear energy currently uses controlled atomic fission, splitting of heavy atoms to release heat, which is used to generate electricity. Nuclear fuels are classified as fissile, uh, plutonium 239, uranium 233, uranium 235. Only fissile isotope of uranium in nature can be used directly as nuclear fuels and fertile. Uranium 238, thorium 232 needed to be converted in fissile. In India, natural uranium is limited and is mostly uranium 238, while uranium 235 is only 0.7%, while thorium 232 is abundant. Thorium exists in nature in a single isotope form, 232 thorium. Thorium bearing monazite has 6 to 12% thorium. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat, and in the inland riverine sands of Jharkhand and West Bengal. India, largest share of reserves, around 25%, followed by Brazil. It is more abundant than uranium, yet no commercial reactor currently runs on it, as it is non-fissile. Uranium production dominated by Kazakhstan 39%, Canada 24%, and Namibia. Resorts Australia has largest share 28%, followed by Kazakhstan, Canada. India has almost 4,25,000 tons in reserves, but high extraction cost force heavy imports. Natural uranium goes through enrichment for increasing uranium 235 concentration using gaseous diffusion, gas centrifuge, and laser enrichment technologies. Plutonium has five isotopes in nature, all fissionable. In relation to uranium and thorium, it is mainly produced in nuclear reactors from uranium 238. Plutonium 239 contains the highest qualities of fissile material. Also, plutonium 238 is used in deep space missions as it emits steady heat from natural radioactive decay. About India's third staged nuclear energy program, conceived by Dr. Omi Jangir Baba, architect of India's nuclear program, designed by DAE. It aims to ensure long-term energy security by utilizing vast thorium reserves. For example, convert the abundant fertile thorium to fissile fissile uranium and reduce import dependency for uranium. Current nuclear power landscape in India: installed capacity 8.78 gigawatt in 2024-25 and projected to reach 22.38 gigawatt by 2031 to 32. Stable contribution. It has consistently accounted for almost 3% of total electricity generation. Challenges in developing nuclear energy for India. India's three-stage nuclear power program. Stage first, natural uranium. Stage first, pressurized heavy water reactor PHWRS. Natural uranium consisting of 0.7% uranium 235 undergoes fission to release energy. The remaining 99.3% is uranium 238 is converted into plutonium 239. Stage second, stage 2 fast breeder reactor using plutonium as a fuel, fueled by a mixed oxide of plutonium 239 and uranium 238. Plutonium 239 undergoes fission, producing energy, and more plutonium 239. Thorium 232 will be introduced once a sufficient inventory of plutonium 239 is built up. Stage 3, Advanced Heavy Water Reactor AHWR, fueled by a mix of thorium and uranium. Thorium 232 transmutates to uranium 233, which powers the reactor. Challenges in developing nuclear energy for India: dual use nature of uranium. Generally, more than 20% uranium 235 is used in commercial nuclear reactors. However, highly enriched uranium is largely used for nuclear weapons. Supply bottlenecks: due to dual use nature of uranium, it is strictly regulated by nuclear supplier groups and treaties like non-proliferation treaty. India, not being a member of both, faces hurdles in assured supply, import dependency, and strategic autonomy. India imports a majority of uranium in 2024. It produced only 500 tons out of global production of 60,213, less than 1%. It imports majority from Kazakhstan, largest, Canada, Uzbekistan, and Russia. Using thorium, current nuclear infrastructure is largely designed for uranium, and extraction of thorium from monazite can be complex and costly. Disaster risk: high capital costs and long gestation period. Public fear, especially after 2011 Fukushima disaster in Japan. Difficult radioactive waste management. Civil liability for Nuclear Damage Act, CLNDA, CLANDA 2010, allows channeling of liability from operator to supplier against the Convention on Supplementary Compensation, which channels liability exclusively to operators. This leads to hesitation in foreign and domestic suppliers to supply equipment to operators. Importance of nuclear energy for India: sustainability, produces electricity without greenhouse gas, enabling net zero emissions. Self-reliance, reduces dependence on imported coal, strengthening energy security. Rising energy demand, fulfills increasing electricity needs with reliable power sources. Overcome inter intermittency, provides round the clock based load power, unlike solar and wind. High energy density, requires less fuel to logistics and a smaller land footprint. A strategic leverage, enhances global standing and strengthens cases for NSG inclusion. Steps taken by government to drive the nuclear vision. Nuclear energy mission launched in budget 2028 to achieve target of 100 gigawatt nuclear capacity by 2047 by allocating 20,000 crore rupees for research and development of small modular reactors. SMR. SMR target, small modular reactor target. At least 5 indigenously designed SMRs are to be operational by 2033. International cooperation for assured uranium supply. India signed civil nuclear cooperation agreements with 18 countries like Canada, Kazakhstan, etc. For example, US India Nuclear Deal 2008, Shanti Act 2005. to consolidates and modernize India's nuclear legal framework. It enables limited private participation in the nuclear sector under regulatory oversight. Baba Atomic Research Center is leading the development of a next generation reactor designs. For example, 200 megawatts Bharat Small modular reactor BSMR 200, the 55 megawatt SMR 55, and a high temperature gas cooled reactor of up to 5 megawatt thermal designed for hydrogen generation. Conclusion: like Russia and China, India can develop a HALEU, HALEU, and a high SA low enriched uranium fuel which makes less waste and generate extreme heat and will be required by future advanced reactors and SMRs, small modular reactors. Additionally, diversify import partners and further explore domestic uranium sources for short-term autonomy. Related news: Atomic Energy Regulatory Board (AERB) has approved excavation for Unit 1st and 2nd of Mahi Baswada Atomic Nuclear Power Project, having 4 nuclear power units of indigenous pressurized heavy water reactors, each with 700 megawatt capacity. About the Mahi Baswada Rajasthan Atomic Nuclear Power Project. Location: Banswada, Rajasthan, near the Mahi Dam on river Mahi. Development by Anusakti Vidyut Nigam Aswini, a joint venture between Nuclear Power Corporation India Limited (DAE) and National Thermal Power Corporation Limited (NTPC), Ministry of Power. It is part of India's Fleet Mode initiative, under which 10 identical 700 megawatt reactors are being built across India under uniform design and procurement plans. About AERB: origin 1983 under Atomic Energy Act 1962, AE Act, Atomic Energy Act, to carry out regulatory and safety functions under it. Its regulatory authority comes from rules under Atomic Energy Act and the Environment Protection Act 1986. Reports to independent statutory body which reports to Atomic Energy Commission of India. Objective: to ensure nuclear energy and radiation do not pose undue risk to people or environment. Also enforces the Factories Act 1948 to ensure industrial safety in DAE units. Under its purview, Safety Research Institute was set up at Kalpakkam to promote safety-related research. Composition: full-time chairman, an ex officio member, 4 part-time members, and a secretary. Next topic: One Health approach. One Health approach. Why in the news? A global One Health summit on the UN-backed One Health approach was held in Lyon, France, with the participation of world leaders, scientists, and environmental experts. More on the news. The summit aims to promote action-oriented multilateralism and accelerate the translation of One Health commitments. At the summit, WHO announces 4 major One Health actions: a new global network of institutions on One Health. It will enhance translation of global guidance into practical tools and one on the ground support, strengthening training through the WHO Academy, creating a country focused delivery model for One Health implementation, stronger science to guide global action. WHO and quadripartite partners FAO, UNEP, WHO, and WOAH announced the extension and expansion of the One Health High-Level Expert Panel OHHLEP, the world's leading scientific advisory body on One Health, a new push to eliminate rabies by 2030, a unified strategy to tackle avian influenza threats. What is One Health approach? One Health is a collaborative, multi-sectoral and transdisciplinary approach with the goal of achieving optimal health outcomes, recognizing the interconnection between people, animals, planet, and their shared environment. The approach can be applied at the community, sub-national, national, regional, or global levels, and and relies on shared and effective governance, communication, collaboration, and coordination by linking humans, animals, and the environment. One Health can help to address the full spectrum of disease control, from prevention to detection, preparedness, response, and management, and contribute to global health security. One Health. Human health and animal health are interdependent at the same time. Both depend on the environment. Food security, diet, antibiotics, and other antimicrobials, intensive livestock farming, disease vectors, biodiversity loss, deforestation, air pollution, water pollution, climate change, population movements, social determinants, human health, animal health, environment. Next, need of One Health approach in India. Zoonotic disease prevention. Around 60% of emerging infectious diseases in humans originate from wild or domestic animals. For example, COVID-19, Nipah, etc. Livestock protection. India holds one of the largest livestock populations globally. Diseases like brucellosis, foot and mouth disease, FMD, lumpy skin disease, etc., devastate the agrarian economy. Climate change impact, an excess of 250,000 deaths per year can be attributed to climate change. Rise of antimicrobial resistance, AMR, overuse of antibiotics in humans and livestock is creating drug resistant pathogens. Ecosystem degradation, crop losses vary from 10 to 35% annually due to weeds, pests, and diseases across the country. Economic losses, the associated potential income lost from labor capacity reduction due to extreme heat was $194 billion US dollar in 2024. Challenges to One Health approach in India. C. Lloyd Ministries, Health, Agriculture, Environment, and Forests operate independently with conflicting departmental priorities. Surveillance gaps. Existing platforms like integrated disease surveillance programs mainly focus on reporting rather than coordinating response. Low public awareness. This was evident during recurring outbreaks of swine flu and rabies in several states. Capacity building constraints, training programs for doctors, veterinary veterinarians, ASA workers, and environmental officers or zoonotic disease management remain insufficient. For example, many frontline workers lacked specialized preparedness during the COVID-19 pandemic. Research and innovation deficit. For example, research on bat-borne viruses such as Nipah and coronavirus reservoirs is still evolving. Weak local level governance. For instance, poor waste management and unregulated livestock markets in urban fringes increases disease spillover risk. Next, initiatives taken in India about a national One Health Mission vision to build an integrated disease control and pandemic preparedness system in India by bringing human, animal, and environmental sectors together for better health outcomes, improved productivity, and conservation of biodiversity. Approved by Prime Minister's Science, Technology and Innovation Advisory Council PMSTIAC in its 21st meeting in 2022. Nodal agency anchored by Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR under office of the Principal Scientific Advisor PSA. Anchor institution National Institute of One Health Nagpur, Center for One Health COH at UCDC coordinates efforts, run programs, rabies, Juno, Sage, leptospirosis, snake bites, and promotes the One Health approach in India. One Health Joint Plan of Action OHJPA, a collaborative framework for 2022-2026 created by the Quadripartite Alliance FAO, UNEP, WHO, and WOAH to promote One Health approach globally. Way forward: integrated surveillance system, develop a unified human animal environment disease surveillance network with real-time data sharing among ministries and states, interministerial coordination, create a permanent coordination mechanism among health, agriculture, environment, fisheries, and urban development ministries, research and innovation, promote multidisciplinary research on zoonotic diseases, climate health linkages, and AMR through institutions like Indian Council of Medical Research and Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Community participation involve panchayats, self-help groups, and local communities in disease awareness, sanitation, and livestock management practices. Capacity building, introduce One Health training modules for doctors, veterinarians, environmental scientists, and frontline health workers. Climate resilient health planning, integrate climate adaptation measures into public health and disaster management strategies to address vector-borne and waterborne diseases. Biodiversity conservation, promote afforestation, habitat restoration, and sustainable land use planning to reduce human-wildlife conflict and disease spillovers. International collaboration strengthens cooperation with global agencies such as World Health Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization for animal health for technical support and best practices. Conclusion: the One Health approach recognizes the human, animal, and environmental health are deeply interconnected, making collaborative action essential in an era of emerging pandemics, climate change, and biodiversity loss. Strengthening integrated surveillance, institutional coordination, and community participation will be crucial to building a resilient and sustainable public health system. Next, news in shorts. Next, Genome India Project GIP. Genome India Project GIP data reveals 44 million unique Indian genetic variants. Key findings of study: genetic variants, over 129 million genetic variants were identified. Endogamy, marriage within communities, has resulted in genetically distinct and isolated groups, contrasting population dynamics. Non-tribal populations, greater genetic mixing and population growth, tribal populations, low effective population size, high genetic drift and strong founder effects. Certain rare global variants become locally common due to prolonged isolation. About Genome India Project GIP, launched in 2020 by Department of Biotechnology DBT under the Ministry of Science and Technology. It is an Indian equivalent of the Human Genome Project (HGP), a global level effort to map human genomes, launched in October 2019 and October 1990 launched in October 1990 and completed in April 2003. Objective to build a comprehensive catalog of genetic variations that reflects the unique diversity of the Indian population. Sample size and diversity. The study collected samples from 10,000 healthy and unrelated individuals. These individuals represent 83 distinct population groups and span India's for prominent linguistic families: Indo-European, Dravidian, Astro-Asiatic, and Tibeto-Burman. Significance: healthcare disaster prediction and early diagnosis with a better disease gene discovery, population specific diagnostics, for example, impact of endogamy on disease, etc. Reduced reduces bias as global genetic databases remain dominated by European populations. Research and development boosts India's and global genomic research and innovation ecosystem. Key concepts: genome is an entire set of genetic material, for example, DNA, RNA. DNA in most organisms present in an individual or a species. Genome sequencing is the process of determining the complete genetic material sequence of an organism's genome. Next, first ever gene therapy for treatment of genetic hearing loss. The therapy called Otar Many, made by Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, was approved by United States Food and Drug Administration under National Priority Voucher Program. Therapy is designed to treat hearing loss caused by OTOF gene mutations. OTOF gene co- OTOF gene codes for a protein called otoferlin, needed by inner ear cells to translate vibrations into signals interpreted by brain. When people carry two defective copies of this gene, one from each parent, it causes 7 to profound hearing loss. It causes severe to profound hearing loss, accounting for 2% to 8% of inherited non-syndromic cases. Next, about gene therapy, meaning refers to a collection of methods that allows correction of a gene defect. It involves insertion of genes into a person's cell and tissues to treat a disease. A vector is a carrier sent to deliver the therapeutic gene into target cells. Gene therapy vectors involved type: somatic gene therapy targets somatic cells for foreign gene transfer. Effects are not inherited by offspring or later generations. Germ line gene therapy. Genes are inserted in the germ cells, for example, sperm or eggs. It is inheritable. vector involved viral retroviruses, adenoviruses, and adeno-associated viruses AAW. Non-viral involves chemical and physical methods like direct injection of naked plasmid DNA, particle bombardment, gene transfer through liposomes, polymers, nanoparticles, etc. Next topic है National Roadmap for Post Quantum Cryptography (PQC) Migration. Department of Science and Technology has released a National Roadmap for Post Quantum Cryptography (PQC) mitigation. It aims to develop cryptography techniques that are secured against attacks from advanced quantum computers for ensuring future cryptographic safety and digital sovereignty. Next, it was necessitated as advancements in quantum computing have potential to break existing cryptography algorithms, which form the backbone of today's IT systems, online communications, financial transactions, and other sensitive digital information. These algorithms include benchmark RSA, Rivest, Samir, Edelman, and ECC, elliptic curve cryptography, public key encryption, risk of quantum computing to cybersecurity, breaking of existing encryption. Quantum computers can break public key cryptography, compromising banking, emails, and government communications. Harvest now Harvest now decrypt later. Encrypted data collecting today can be decrypted in the future, exposing long-term sensitive information. Systemic risk. Breaking cryptography can disrupt critical sectors like power, telecom, finance, and governance. Threat to national security. Exposure of defense and intelligence data can weaken national security and create a strategic risk. India's efforts for developing secure quantum computing. A national quantum mission aims to develop a comprehensive indigenous quantum technology ecosystem with establishment of for thematic hubs, DST's Quantum Enabled Science and Technology Q-East program to groom young researchers in quantum technology. State level initiatives: Amravati Quantum Valley AQV Initiative, Andhra Pradesh Quantum Mission, Karnataka, Telangana Quantum Strategy, etc. Next topic है Starlink satellite internet. Meghalaya becomes the third Indian state after Meghalaya and Gujarat to partner with Starlink formally. Starlink was launched in 2019 by SpaceX and plans to have 42,000 satellites in low Earth orbit (LEO). Satellite internet system, satellite phone gateway, network control center, satellite phone gateway, cellular phone, landline phone, soft phone, satellite phone, terrestrial network. Meghalaya becomes the third Indian state after Maharashtra and Gujarat to partner with Starlink formally. Starlink was launched in 2019 by SpaceX and plans to have 42,000 satellites in a low Earth orbit (LEO). About satellite internet definition. Satellite internet refers to the internet service provided through satellites placed in geostationary orbits (GSO) or non-geostationary orbits (NGSO). LEO and MEO (medium Earth orbit) and NGSO like land-based internet services such as fiber cable, etc. It doesn't rely on wires to transmit data, improving accessibility, deployment speed, and long distance transmission infrastructure. It generally includes three segments. Space segment includes a network of several communication satellites. Ground segment includes satellite measurement and control networks, gateway stations, etc. User segment includes communication terminals used by users. Advantages over existing land-based internet services. Global reach connects remote and underserved regional lacking fiber or cellular infrastructure. Rapid deployment requires only power and clear sky, avoiding costly and time-consuming civil works. Disaster resilience restore communication quickly and acts as a backup when terrestrial networks fail. Regulatory landscape for satellite internet service. Department of Telecommunications grants licenses and regulates under the Unified License Regime. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India recommends spectrum segments terms for satellite services. Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center promotes authorizes and supervises private space activities. Next topic है Project Maven. Project Maven, an AI program, is now central to US strikes against Iran. Project Maven objective to automate detection of objects and patterns in vast volumes of drone imagery, reducing manual analysis burden, uses machine learning and computer vision to identify targets, movements and initiatives in real time. Next topic है मिशन मित्रा. इसरो launched मिशन मित्रा to test Gaganyaan crew for mental, physical and crew operationality strengths. About mission Mitra, mapping of interoperable traits and response assessment. It is a behavioral study by ISRO for human spaceflight missions conducted in partnerships with the Indian Air Force's IAF Institute of Aerospace Machines IAM objective to assess psychological psychological and operational performance of Gaganyaan crew under stress. It was conducted at Leh, Ladakh, simulating extreme conditions such as hypoxia, low temperature, and isolation. Next topic है cerium magnesium change site. A new mineral cerium magnesium change site has been discovered in a lunar meteorite named Packpack 005 found in Taklamakan Desert, China. And the finding raises total known lunar minerals to 11. About cerium magnesium change site. It is a rare earth bearing phosphate mineral with distinctive physical and chemical characteristics. Physical properties colorless, transparent, with a glass-like luster. It is also fragile and shows cell-like fracture and glows under ultraviolet light (UV light). Scientific significance helps understand vaccine understand volcanic processes on the moon and distribution of rare earth elements. Its fluorescence makes it valuable in development of more efficient LEDs. That's all in this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. Thank you for you all.